I'm David Billsbury. I'm the business owner here at Cheshire Cars, and Tendai is behind the camera. A very warm welcome to Tendai, who has very kindly shares his time with us. Of course, Tendai, for those of you may know or not know, works as a car sales executive with Stoke See It. So if you want to do See It, go and see Tendai. So this is my car. It's my Mini Cooper S, the F56 model, and I want to show you what we've done to help protect the car inside from being scratched. So the paint on these Minis, when the door closes and opens and closes, over time with the grit on the rubbers, just starts to rub off the paint. So come on Tendai, let me show you. So let Tendai just come around. So this is the area here that is subject to the wear. Now what we've done here is we've cut out a very small clear piece and just applied it to the bodywork inside, because this is the area that the rubbers with the grit on them, with the movement of the suspension, goes up and down over a period of time. All this here removes the paint. Never goes really rusty, but just takes the lacquer and the paint off and doesn't look very good. So if Tendai could just come back a little bit to the door edge here, Tendai, this is the area of problem. This piece of rubber here, you can just see where maybe some grits in there. It just gets stuck on there, and as you close the door, it rubs the door. So when the door closes, you don't know about it, but over time, maybe a couple of years, it rubs off the paint. So you too can adjust that and amend it by just cutting a piece of bumper protector or something that would go on a bumper, clear, ideally clear, just cut it off like that. It's a 5-minute fix. So I don't know why Mini haven't addressed it. It's a well-known issue. Most cars I come across in the used car market, F56s, will all suffer. So that's Clubman, Paceman, Cooper, convertible, all of them suffer with that. So that's a design flaw. If you're listening, Mini UK, address it. You haven't addressed it yet, so please address it. And just before we go, it would be remiss of me not to mention we buy cars. In fact, we bought one this morning. We bought an up GTI this morning. So we have a website which is www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. Go onto that website, fill out your car's details, and then you'll have me emailing you or calling you, whichever you prefer, with a bespoke valuation for your car. That's any vehicle, van or car, less than 5 years of age, under 40,000 miles, with a service history, will probably make you a very good offer. Certainly as high, if not more, than We Buy Your Car and Motorway. Obviously Motorway we use ourselves, so we're not decrying Motorway, good company, but we've purchased cars that they haven't bought, and we've done that for more money. And you're obviously dealing with us direct, and we're dealing with you direct, so there's a good affinity. And we've bought many cars and been recommended to buy other people's cars. In fact, our Google review page has hundreds of reviews from people who have sold us their car. So please support your local dealer in your local area, look at who they are, check out who they are. Most cases they'll buy cars. I know we do. Our website again to do that is www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. That's me over and done with almost. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Cheshire Cars YouTube channel. We have over 1,600 subscribers and approaching 1.2 million views on the channel. We'd be delighted if you wouldn't mind subscribing and sharing with your friends and relatives our channel. There's lots of useful content just like you're watching now. So that's our Mini Cooper S. It's on a 23 plate, so it's basically brand new. It's been protected, and the next owner in 2 years' time, whoever he or she is, will have a car that's got all the paint on inside the door. Have a great week, and there'll be more from Tendai and myself very soon. Thank you.